Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm starting off in a different place in my house. This time I'm starting off in my bedroom. Today's video I'm going to be cleaning my bedroom, decluttering and rearranging the kids' toy room because we're going to be doing some room transfers. I'm actually probably going to transform that into Ellie's room because I have some new bunk beds coming for the boys and some other things, so we're going to be moving some rooms around in the next week. So I just wanted to get that room prepped and prepared and declutter some more toys. And my room wasn't too bad. I just need to make the bed, of course, and put away a load of laundry that's in the closet. And then, of course, my kitchen, the dining room, and the living room are the other parts of the house that I'll touch base on this video today. So if it is your first time joining along, I hope you enjoyed this video and decide to subscribe and join my family here. Now it's time to tackle this room. It is horrible, you guys. Between the kids just destroying it because their toys are in here and I haven't really got a chance to go ahead and get it picked up. But like I said, in the next week there's going to be some major room transformations, so I just wanted to go ahead and declutter these toys, go through them and get rid of some more and get them donated. I have Ellie's clothes to go through, some new clothes and some laundry that just never was put away, and then some rearranging, so that way when it's time for me to go ahead and transform this into a room, I don't have so much to do. Now the closet, that's a whole different story. That'll be a different day, but for now I wanted to majorly tackle this area and get it decluttered. And I'm hoping to get like some organizational shelves or something, but I'm gonna hold off on that until once the kids are where they are, so that way the toys can be where they need to be.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you look like that. Closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Every moment is another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that. Closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Ooh, smiling like that, I can never resist it. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. I need you, baby. I need you, baby. Oh. I was on your bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you.
Let me know in the comments what's your current mop that you're using. Are you using a floor mop or are you using a steam mop? I had a steam mop, but my little one got a hold of it and somehow it just doesn't work anymore. So I'm thinking about getting another steam mop. I really loved it. I felt like it cleaned my floors so much better than me just manually mopping. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite mop, any mops that you recommend as far like steam mop. I would say so far this one is my favorite with the good old standard mopping, but I would like to know what's a good steam mop.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh, keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do. what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved.
Now my living room wasn't too crazy. It's just the typical lounging out in the living room, watching movies with the kids. So I'm just picking up this, and this will be the last thing of my day. This literally probably took me all day to do all of this cleaning, especially decluttering that room and decluttering the toys. I definitely put in some time in that room. But you know, mom life, going throughout the day, I swear there's not enough time in the day to get done what you need to get done, right? But it is what it is. We just do it without any complaints. Maybe just a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along and just seeing some decluttering, giving you guys some inspiration and motivation to get up and declutter some areas in your home that need it, because we all have those areas, especially if you have kids. I'm pretty sure you probably have tons of toys that are not used. And I already had decluttered once before Christmas, and lo and behold, there was more. If you guys enjoy these type of videos, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and join my family over here. I also will be sharing with you guys the transformation of the boys' room once we receive their new beds and I get it completed. I will upload that video for you guys so you guys can get some inspiration and some ideas on little boys' room. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Cable short and the problem